What's up, guys? Alex here. We're gonna play Trudy Time and Place House. Let's get reading that right now. And yeah. So I downloaded it on the computer.
Hi, I'm Trudy. Come play in my time and place house. Blast off with Astromouse and Melvin.
Yeah.
See you later. Have fun.
Okay, goodbye, Trudy.
Click a green arrow to fly around the Earth, or click on the Earth to fly closer.
Hello there, Earth Scout. It's time to take pictures of the Earth. Please take a picture of Asia. Great job.
Asia is the largest of the 7 continents.
Now take the picture. Oh, Melvin. Please take a picture of the Atlantic Ocean. All right.
The Atlantic Ocean has the saltiest water of all 4 oceans.
Now take the picture. Please take a picture of the Arctic Ocean.
Alright, let's do it one more time and then that's it.
Let's play with the calendar clock.
Click the controls to change time by months, days, hours, minutes, or seconds.
Hello. In 2 seconds, Bailey will toss the paper. Please change time to see Bailey toss the paper. That's hour. In 2 seconds, Bailey will toss the paper. Try clicking second. That's day. In 2 seconds, Bailey will toss the paper. Try clicking. That's month. In 2 seconds, Bailey will toss the paper. Try clicking second. That's minute. In 2 seconds, Bailey will toss the paper. Try clicking second.
Second.